with PCS Outdoors, talking about some of the new stuff we're getting in, and we're going into some of the RC stuff actually. And this is a Heng Long RC tank. These are really cool, got lots of features. This one right here is the Pro 2 model, which that means it has like the metal tank treads and the metal gears and stuff. So it costs a little bit more, but it's definitely got a lot more little benefits to it. So let's get to opening this up. It has all the directions and the decals right there. But we're getting more fun stuff. And you got the tank itself. Then you have the parts for the shooting apparatus. You have the RF and remote control knobs there. And it has lots of little accessories that you put together and put on. You got the charger. There's more. And this is for the smoke actually. It actually smokes. It's kind of a neat little thing. It's got some extra parts for your treads and stuff if you needed to change them, and they look similar to like the watch, old metal watch bands parts here. So it does take a screwdriver to open. The battery did already get put in it, but I'll show you. You will need a screwdriver with it. It does not come with one. It just has a small battery. It has the plug to charge it, and then the plug to plug it in. So it is kind of interesting with the two plugs. But this plug plugs right into the charger, and then you have the USB to charge it on your computer, or if you have one of your little blocks for your phones, you can use that. The remote control does take 6 AA batteries, which I already got put in. It has the little knobs that you got to get in here. It does recommend starting the remote control first, and to turn that on after you put the batteries in, it beeps and the light starts up. For the tank, the on and off switch is under this little door right here, which can be kind of tricky to get to. But you open that up, and then you just wanna, this is on, so now I can turn the tank on. Lights start flashing to let you know it's on. And then what you do is, it's actually the button right here with a little lock look on it. And that's how you get it to actually connect to the tank. When you push that, you hear it fire up. So you have the one control. It makes it the barrel go up and down, left and right. And to shoot it, you actually push down on both of these, which I did put some beams in already. So that's kind of fun. Let's see if we got another one. Raise it up. It does have a smoke function on the remote, where if you fill it up with the smoke liquid, and you actually push the smoke button, and then does the same thing with disconnecting and shutting off, and you can hear it turn off there. So it's a fun little thing. Just talking about that kind of stuff, but there's some other fun aspects with it. It does shoot the things, but you also have a little connector you can put on here where you plug it in right here, and then you can connect it to this. It's actually got a magnet where it actually sticks to it. So it sticks right there, and then if you have two of the tanks, you can actually do a tank battle and shoot each other, and it'll pick it up on the RF reader right here, and so you can have your own little tank battles out there. So I'd recommend getting two of them so you can have your tank battles and drive around and have fun with a friend or a sibling or one of your kids.